I'm Mohammadpur and I'm came from Khulna. So let's talk about the topic. What I want to say in front of you. Well, so it is very silly topic, I guess, because we are a human and we are many of us in there sitting there boys. So I talk about the topic which name is hostel life and hostel friends. So I'm very great and very laughing inside. So let's make it real. So hostel life means what is hostel life? Hostel life means where we came for the first time. And there are many, there are some boys who are very afraid to come here for like there are many people as strangers like they don't know who is he or who is she. There's kind of stability in our own thoughts, right? So, hostel life is the things where we can make our own life, own rules, and own responsibility. We came here for learning English, right? So in English fantasy, there are many people came from another way, another cities from in Bangladesh. So I'm also from Khulna, and there are one of my friends. There's come from Gopalganj, some of Noakhali, some of Chittagong, and I'm very glad to talk about them. So a few moments ago, my one of my brothers, whose name is Naim, he just left from English Fantasy because he completed his level 4 and he's going throughout his home. And I'm very sadly and hardly talk about to this topic. Like when we came here for the first time, we don't know who is she or who is it. But when we spend some times, we made together in a male tea offer some coldie is chorus. But when sometimes passing, we look forward to what we were and what we are now. And when he has gone, and after before going him, and I'm very heartbrokenly and very impressively to say him that I missed you, right? And I remember this night, those things what we made and what we are laughing inside and what we would do in the mirror side in the washroom and and the balconies. So hostel life means is sacrificing themselves. Yes, hostel life is very hurtful because sometimes we miss our home, sometimes we miss our homies, where we are used to go, where we are used to learn. And in this place, we just think about the time, like what we were learned from those category and what we are learned from these categories. So this is the place what we learned that for uh, for live far away from family and take responsibility replaced by the own thinkability, and it is very grateful for us because we know how to survive in our own thoughts and how to survive in our own capability. So that's all about my friends. Thank you so much for listening me patiently. Thank you so much.